everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing a product review. Viter Energy was kind enough to send me a few samples of their mints. So it did arrive a few days ago. In the package I received a full size of their peppermint and their spearmint flavor, and then they also sent me samples of the wintergreen, cinnamon, and the chocolate mint to try as well. Each container has 20 pieces. It is sugar free. It has sucralose in it, so if you're not a fan of artificial sweeteners, this may not be the mint for you. It has caffeine in it. Each mint has about 40 milligrams of caffeine, and that's equivalent to a half a cup of coffee or half of an energy drink. It is vegan, it's kosher, gluten-free, dairy, soy, and wheat-free. And I did look on the website, and the website states that they're good for in the morning, on your way to work, or on your way to the gym, in the afternoon when you're feeling a little sluggish. It's a great pick-me-up in the evening when you need to finish up some work, or you're trying to study for an exam. Even at night, if you're getting ready to take a long drive, it's good for that. Now, I did try it a few days ago. I tried the peppermint yesterday. I tried the spearmint the day before that. And I did try them before I went to the gym. I didn't really get an energy boost, but the flavors are very strong, very intense. The spearmint, oh my gosh, it's so good. The spearmint is really great. The peppermint to me reminds me of an Altoid. It's really strong. Yeah, so this is the peppermint flavor. I did have my son try the wintergreen, and my daughter tried the cinnamon. She said the cinnamon was really strong, and the chocolate mint is strong as well. All of the flavors are very strong, very intense. So like I said, I didn't really get an energy boost, but it also freshens your breath, so that's always a good thing. If you would like to purchase some mints for yourself, or take a look at their website to see how the company started, or to get more information about the mints, feel free to go to goviter.com. I will also leave a link in the description box below. I want to thank Viter Energy for sending me the samples of the mints to try and review. If you haven't done so already, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my content. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.